In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace email with Asana. By the end, you'll know how to route important messages into Asana so they become trackable tasks without relying on messy email threads. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clear starting point and ensures you're in the right workspace. If you work across multiple teams, double-check the workspace or organization name so you configure the correct account. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile photo. That opens a quick menu with settings and account controls. From there, choose Settings. This brings up a panel with several tabs you can use to manage notifications, email behavior, and account access. In the Settings window, select the Email Forwarding tab. This section is key to replacing email. Here, Asana provides special email addresses you can use to create tasks by sending or forwarding messages. When you send an email to one of these addresses, the subject becomes the task title, the message body becomes the task description, and attachments are included. Consider copying these addresses and keeping them somewhere you can easily access, or saving them as contacts in your email client. Remember, for security, Asana will only accept messages from email addresses it trusts, which we'll set up next. Now switch to the Account tab. This is where you manage which email addresses are associated with your Asana account. Click Add New Email. Add any address you might send from, work or personal, so Asana recognizes it as yours. Only add addresses you control. After adding one, Asana will send a confirmation to that inbox. If prompted, click Re-authenticate. This step refreshes your sign-in connection, for example with your email provider, and ensures Asana can validate ownership and process forwarded messages reliably. Follow the prompts and grant the requested permissions so everything stays in sync. Finally, follow the instructions to verify your email address. Go to your inbox, open the confirmation from Asana, and complete the verification. If you don't see the message, check your spam or filtered folders, and give it a minute before resending. Once verified, you're set. Any future email you send or forward from that address to your Asana forwarding addresses will create tasks automatically. With these settings in place, you can shift conversations and requests out of email and into Asana, where they're assigned, prioritized, and tracked to completion. That's how you replace email with Asana.